And congratulations, this is day 7 of your juice cleanse. You've done an amazing job. I want to really tell you that a lot of people give up and you didn't. So great job on that. You gave your body so much love, so much rest. And one main thing I want you to focus on today is gratitude journal. I want you to write down all the things you're grateful for, how much your body have done for you. Because the thing is about these cleanses, you feel amazing after you've done it or during during the cleanse. A lot of times people go back to their old habits. And one great way to prevent you from doing so is writing down your journey and how it went and how grateful you are to your wonderful body for being such a great home to your spirit and for being so healthy. When you write those things down and show your appreciation to your body, you probably will be less likely to overindulge in things that are not healthy for your body after the cleanse is over. And if you actually write it down, it will be a reminder in your own handwriting to stick to this healthy lifestyle that you are on the journey on right now. And make sure you're getting our cleanse manual. You're getting a lot of recipes. I have 7 days worth of recipes for you so you can continue eating healthy and cleanly. And if you are going to be eating animal proteins later on, I want to make sure you're eating them in the right order. So check with the cleanse manual so you're eating the right things, and tweet to me at onjuice on Twitter. If you have any questions, I'm here for you. And I want to again applaud you. Cheers to your health. Well done. Congratulations on a healthier, happier you. And great for getting your juice on. Cheers.